Don't look at your watch. What if I told you the ground under your feet was actually a giant clock? Today, we are going to turn a playground into a huge clock using chalk and the sun. And the most amazing part, the sun shadow will tell us the time. Really? The sun tell us the time? Let's check it. Today, we look at the time on phone and watches. But long time ago, people do not have those things. So how did they know the time? Yes, they look at the sun. A sundial is a special clock that uses the sun. A stick stands in the middle, and when the sunlight hits the stick, it makes a shadow. And the shadow moves during the day. That moving shadow shows us the time. So kids, are you ready with me? Let's build our giant dial. We only need the simple things. Okay, so we need a chalk, colorful chalk, a stick or a bottle, and a sunny playground. So first step, what you have to do? First draw a big circle on the ground using a chalk. Then write number from 1 to 12, just like a normal clock. Now here step 2. Now place the stick in the middle of the circle. The stick will make a shadow. This shadow will act like the hand of the clock. Step 3 is look carefully at the shadow. See where it points from the clock. After some time, the shadow will move to a new number. The shadow moves because the earth is spinning. As the earth turns, the sun appears to move across the sky. That makes the shadow change its direction. Here is a fun challenge. Check the shadow every hour. Does it match at the real time on a clock? Try it with your friends. If you like this fun learning experiment, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.